Assalamualaikum students, how are you? Okay, today we start our third lecture of science of class 1, chapter number 3. The topic is food from the plants. You know that we all eat food when we are hungry. Why do we need food? We need food to work and grow. Food makes us strong and healthy. We get most of our food from plants. You know that there are two sources of food for us, plants and animals. And mostly the food we eat, we get from the plants. There are different things we get from the plants. For example, the number one thing is fruits. We get fruits from the plants and we use these fruits in our eating. Apple, mango, grapes, bananas, cherries. There are different types of the fruits which we get from the plants only. The second thing which we get from the plants are vegetables. There are different types of the vegetables. For example, here you can see the potato and brinjal. And there are also more vegetables like okra, beans, pumpkin, cauliflower, cabbage. We use these vegetables in our food for our eating. Number third, some vegetables are those which we use as a salad. For example, cucumber, radish, carrot, beetroot. These are the vegetables we use as a salad in our food. The next one thing which we get from the plants are the cereals. For example, wheat, rice, corn, barley. We use the seeds of these plants in our food. For example, wheat is used to make the flour. Rice, we cook the rice and eat them. Corn and barley is also used in our food. We use the seeds of these, and these cereals give us the energy to work and play. The next one things which we get from the plants are the pulses. There are different types of the pulses which we get from the plants, like the black-eyed peas which is called lobia, chicken peas which is called the chana, red lentil, masoor dal, and the green gram which is called the moong dal. Pulses help us to grow. These all types of the food contain different types of the nourishing substances which help our body to grow. The next one thing which we get from the plants is the sugar. Sugar is the thing which make our food sweet. We make different refreshing drinks and different sweet material by using sugar. From which we get sugar? We get sugar, the sugar beet, and also from the sugar cane. There is a juice inside the sugar cane which we get and make the sugar from this juice. This juice change into sugar and we use this sugar to make our food sweet. The next thing which we get from the plants is the spices. There are different types of these spices which we use in our food. Spices make our food tasty. There are different spices, for example, clove, cardamom, turmeric, cumin seeds, coriander seeds. These are the different types of these spices which we use in our food to make our food tasty, and we get these spices from the plants. The last one which we get from the plants is the coffee or tea. The coffee or tea which we drink, we also get from the plants. We get the leaves of the coffee or tea plant and change them into the coffee or tea. Eating food from plants make us healthy. We must grow more plants. These are all the benefits which we get from the plants. That's why it is saying that we have to grow more and more plants so we can get the healthy foods from plants. Number 14. Here your chapter number 3 has started. You can see here there is a warm-up activity for you. Here you can see the different types of the foods which are grown on the tree. What you have to do with this? You have to take the things that grow on plants. Here you can see the different things: fish, milk, melon, spinach, corn, pumpkin, apple, meat, ice cream. You have to take those things which we get from the plants. When you come on the page number 15, here is an activity for you. Make a plate of salad. The name of a few raw vegetables are given here. Pick the ones you will use in salad. Number 1 is cucumber, number 2 is tomato, number 3 is brinjal, number 4 is carrot, Number 5, beetroot. Number 6, potato. Number 7, onion. Number 8, lemon. Number 9, coriander leaves. Number 10, mint leaves. Here are different types of the vegetables which name us here. You have to tick those vegetables which we use in our salad. And there is another thing for you. Ask an elder in the family to cut the vegetables in different interesting shapes and arrange the vegetables on a plate to make it look beautiful. You have to say your elder they provide you with vegetables in cutting form. So you make and arrange these vegetables in different form to make it beautiful. Understand? When you come on the page number 16, there is an activity. Now you know in the form of fill in the blanks. Number 1 is we eat the dash of rice plants. Seed. Rice are seed. Rice are get from the rice plant, and we use seeds of rice in our food. SEED, seed. Number 2, rice gives us dash to play and work. Which type of the thing which get from the rice is the energy. Rice gives us energy to play and work. What spelling of energy? ENERGY, energy. Number 3, we eat cucumber as a dash. Cucumber is used as a salad. SALAD. Next, we use turmeric as a dash. Spice. SPICE, spice. Next, we get dash from sunflower seeds. Oil. OIL, oil. When you come on the page number 16, here the exercises has started. Exercise part A, fill in the blanks with the correct option. Number 1 is food makes us dash, tired or healthy. Healthy. Healthy is the right option. Number 2, vegetables are tasty when we dash them. Squeeze or cook. Cook is the correct answer. Number 3, dash give us energy to work and play. Spices or cereals. Cereals is the correct option. Number 4, some plants give us dash, meat or pulses. Pulses. Number 5, we get oil from dash, pulses or groundnuts. Groundnuts is the right option. Number 6, spices make the food dash, tasty or tasteless. Tasty is the right option. Now exercise part B, filling the missing letters. Here are the name of different types of the foods, and along this there are also shape of these things, and you have to write down the spelling of these things in these missing boxes. Number 1 is a cereal. You can see the picture and you have to write down the name of this picture. What is this? Corn. CORN, corn. Number 2, a fruit. Which type of the fruit this is? You have to write down the name of this fruit. Coconut. COCONUT, coconut. Number 3, it is a vegetable. You have to write down the name of this vegetable. Cabbage. CABBAGE, cabbage. Number 4, a spice. It is a clove. CLOVE, clove. Number 5, refreshing drink. You can see the pic. You have to write down the spelling of this. Coffee. It is coffee. COFFEE, coffee. Number 6, salad. You have to write down the name of this salad. Cucumber. CUCUMBER. Answer these questions in short on page number 18. Question number 1 is, why do we need food? We need food to work and play. Question number 2, write the names of 2 fruits and 2 vegetables you like the most. You have to write down name of the 2 fruits and 2 vegetables. Fruits names are mango, apple. Vegetables are carrot, radish. Question number 3. Name 2 vegetables that are eaten raw. For example, carrot and radish. Question number 4. Which cereals do you usually eat every day? Rice, wheat. Number 5. Write the name of plant that gives us sugar. Sugarcane. Question number 6. Name a plant that gives us oil. Sunflower. Number 7. Why do we use spices? To make the food tasty. Now there is a task activity for you. Here you can see there are different things and you have to write down the name of these things in these missing boxes. Here is a sugarcane. You have to write down the name of the sugarcane spelling. You have to complete the spelling of these. This is the cucumber. You have to move down for this. This is the wheat. You have to complete the spelling of wheat and move down. There is the grapes. You have to move side down. This is a coffee. You have to write down the spelling of the coffee, moving down. And this is the rice. You have to write down the spelling of rice.